Steam mops have become a top choice for home cleaning, offering sparkling results without the need for harsh chemicals, messy buckets, or scrubbing on your hands and knees. These mops use bursts of steam to dissolve grime, remove stuck-on deposits, and kill bacteria using only water. They make cleaning faster and more efficient, especially on bathroom and kitchen floors. In this guide, we have curated the top-performing options that are worth considering for your cleaning routine. All product links are provided in the description. Number 8. Eufy MACH V1 Ultra. The Eufy MACH V1 Ultra provides a convenient cleaning experience by combining the power of a vacuum and steam mop in one machine. This dual-purpose cleaner makes cleaning easier as it can vacuum and mop at the same time, tackling multiple messes in one pass. With its sleek and lightweight design, it can easily move across surfaces, reaching even tricky spots. The unit features a self-cleaning mechanism for the roller, reducing the hassle of maintenance after use. Although the steam output is not adjustable, the cleaner works effectively on various types of dirt, from everyday messes to tougher grime, leaving floors spotless. It is designed to make household chores quicker and more efficient without the need for mixing cleaning solutions beforehand, making it a great option for regular deep cleaning. Number 7. Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop. The Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop is specifically designed for tile floors and other hard surfaces, providing a deep clean without using chemicals. It features a built-in spot boost brush that makes scrubbing grout and tough stains easier, ensuring floors are left sparkling clean. Its fragrance discs add a fresh scent to rooms as you clean, enhancing the overall experience. Although some users may find the water tank a bit difficult to remove, this steam mop offers great cleaning power and ease of use. The adjustable steam levels let you control the intensity of steam for different surfaces, making it suitable for all kinds of cleaning jobs, from light maintenance to heavy-duty tasks. This mop is ideal for anyone looking for an effective, easy-to-store cleaning solution that excels on tile and grout. Number 6. Euroflex M4S Hybrid Steam Mop. The Euroflex M4S Hybrid Steam Mop is built for heavy-duty cleaning, offering impressive steam power to handle the toughest household messes. It includes a powerful internal boiler that heats water to produce high-pressure steam, ideal for deep cleaning. With front steam jets and a heated bottom plate, this mop tackles dirt and stains with ease, making it especially effective for challenging surfaces like grout, tiles, and stuck-on debris. In addition to its floor cleaning capabilities, it converts it to a handheld steamer, allowing you to clean countertops, stovetops, and even grills. Although it does not feature adjustable steam output, it offers both continuous and on-demand steaming options for versatility. Its durable construction and multiple attachments make it an excellent choice for homes that require a robust and reliable cleaning tool for various tasks. Number 5. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is a highly efficient canister steam cleaner, perfect for deep cleaning tasks across various surfaces. Its large water tank provides up to 53 minutes of continuous steam, making it an ideal choice for extensive cleaning sessions. The retractable handle and sleek design make it easy to carry and store, even when filled with water. Its cleaning power is impressive, especially on grout, crayon marks, and ink stains, with the ability to tackle tough messes in a variety of settings. Although the hose is not detachable, which can make storage more difficult, the range of attachments and its versatility make this steam cleaner a worthwhile investment. From floors to furniture, this steamer is an excellent all-around cleaner for households looking for thorough sanitization without the use of chemicals. Number 4. Bissell Symphony PET All-in-One Vacuum and Steam Mop. The Bissell Symphony PET All-in-One combines the benefits of a vacuum and steam mop, making it an efficient cleaning tool for pet owners. This device allows users to vacuum dry debris like pet hair while simultaneously steaming floors, which is particularly convenient for quick cleanups. Its two-in-one function makes it easy to deal with everyday messes while ensuring thorough cleaning and sanitization. It comes with different steam settings, allowing users to adjust the intensity based on the cleaning task. While there can be occasional vacuum clogs when handling pet hair, Its reusable microfiber pads and disposable pads for more serious messes offer added convenience. This mop is an excellent choice for those seeking an all-in-one solution to keep pet-related messes under control and floors spotless. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop. The BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop offers a wide variety of cleaning options due to its versatility and range of attachments. This model easily converts into a handheld steamer, allowing users to clean everything from countertops to grout lines with ease. The multiple attachments, such as the squeegee for glass and scrub brush for tougher stains, make it a handy tool for more than just floor cleaning. While the water tank is not removable, this steam mop is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it an excellent choice for everyday cleaning. Its adjustable steam settings enable users to control the amount of steam released, ensuring surfaces are cleaned thoroughly without damage. This steam mop is ideal for homeowners looking for a versatile cleaning solution that can handle a wide variety of tasks beyond just floors. Number 2. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. The Shark S1000 Steam Mop is an affordable and effective cleaning option, ideal for those who want a budget-friendly steam cleaner that delivers solid performance. This steam mop is simple to set up and use, with a removable water tank that makes refilling easy. It dispenses steam on demand, allowing users to apply the right amount of steam exactly where needed for an efficient clean. Although it only has one steam setting, the mop delivers impressive cleaning power on hard floors, effectively removing dirt and grime. Its upright locking position makes it easy to store, while the 18-foot cord provides ample length to clean larger spaces. Overall, this steam mop offers great value for those seeking an affordable and straightforward cleaning solution without sacrificing performance. Number 1. Reliable Steamboy Pro 300 CU Steam Mop with Scrub Brush. The reliable Steamboy Pro 300 CU Steam Mop delivers excellent steam cleaning power with a unique design that makes it stand out. The triangular swivel head is ideal for reaching into corners and tight spaces, ensuring a thorough clean. One of the mop's most useful features is its scrub brush, which provides extra cleaning power for grout and stubborn messes. It comes with 4 microfiber pads, allowing users to swap them out for a fresh pad during longer cleaning sessions. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while the large handle provides a comfortable grip during use. Some users might find the anti-scale cartridge somewhat tricky to replace, but overall, this steam mop offers outstanding cleaning performance and ease of use, making it the best option for everyday household cleaning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.